Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Few months ago I had created this video tutorial of lithium-ion battery which is available on my channel. Someone has asked me to make a video tutorial on the geometry of this simulation. In this video I'm going to create the geometry for this tutorial. Let's get started. Actually this geometry is pretty straightforward. I am in the SpaceClaim. Directly we can go to the sketching mode. For that, let's go into the sketching mode, which is available in design, and click on the sketch mode. And we are in the sketching mode. For that geometry, let's create two circles starting from one is at the center, one may be at a little further. Doesn't matter the dimension that we will define in a minute. Use in sketch smart dimension. Just click over here and you will get the dimension. Let's say we are simulating a lithium-ion battery, so these are 2170. The diameter is 21 millimeter. Diameter for this one is also, let's call it 21 millimeter. They are overlapping because we are in the smart dimension. Click at the center, then bring your mouse to the next center, click, and then you got the dimension, and you can define the distance between the center of these two circles. Let's call them 22 millimeter. Okay, we got these two circles, and now create another circle from the same center, another circle, and then here another circle. Again, let's define their diameter. You can define the diameter of the second circle based on the fluid path which you want to have around this battery cell. Let's call it 23, so 2 millimeter distance. It has changed these two. Okay, that's fine. Now in the sketch mode we will click on this tool. So this one is the trim away. We will trim extra surface. This one is the extra, here is the extra, this one and this one. Now we got this sketch. Now we can create the flow channel for the inlet and outlet. You can do that in different ways. I am using this rectangle, and let's start from here. I want to have a 4 millimeter, so 2 3 4, and you can bring it over here. Take it a little extra till here, that's fine. Then similarly start from here. One box is 1 millimeter in this case, so I want to have 4 millimeter. I will start from here, so it will be 2 millimeter to 4 millimeter, and you can go down over here. Again, select the trim tool and trim away this extra surface, this one and this one. We got our sketch. You can increase the inlet or outlet length, it depends on you. Anyhow, after getting sketch, you can go into the 3D mode. There are different ways. You can press D on your keyboard, or you can click over here on this icon at the bottom. Now you got your sketch. You got only your fluid region. For the cell, we can do in different ways. First, let's move this one to new component. Okay, and for cell we want to create another component. It's better to have cell in separate component. It doesn't make much difference, but it's good to have. Now this second component has been activated. Again, we will go to this sketching mode, sketch mode, and then you have to select the surface where you want to create the sketch. Then you will bring your mouse and you can see this surface has been highlighted. Left click on over here, and now this surface has been selected. Again, select this circle, and from center create your circle of 21 millimeter. Now this one is the center, and we got this 21 millimeter. We will go back again to the 3D mode. We got all our surfaces. Now we have to simply extrude all these surfaces. We are in this second component. Let's call this one, you can name it if you like, cells. And let me hide this one. So these are two surfaces. You don't need to hide, just to show you the geometry. Okay, now we can pull this surface. So select pull tool, select this surface, Press Ctrl, select this surface and say you want to pull. If you select this one, it will pull in one direction. If you select this one, it will pull in both direction. I will click on that one, and now you can see arrow on both sides. You just click on this arrow and pull. You will see it is moving in both direction. Just leave your mouse button and you can directly press the dimension on your keyboard. I'm pressing 70 on my keyboard. I got these two cells of 70 millimeter. I got these two battery cells. Click over here and you can see this fluid body, but I cannot work with this one because I am working with these cells. These are highlighted. To work on this fluid, right click on that one and say activate component, because with this activate component you can work only on that particular component. Again, I can pull this fluid region. For that, pull has been selected. I will click over here. It is pulling in one direction, but I want to pull in both directions, so I will click pull both sides. Now you can see arrow in both sides. I can pull in both directions. It depends how much do you want to pull, so just leave your mouse and on your keyboard directly enter your dimensions. You want to have same length, little longer or smaller, it's up to you. I'm keeping same length, so I will say 70 millimeter. We got our geometry. Here we have two battery cells and here is the fluid region. You can do your simulation on this geometry. For the simulation you can check that video. I did simulation only one half of the geometry. For that you can create a surface at the center. Click on one side, press Ctrl on your keyboard, click on the other side. Now go to the display design. Now click on this plane and it will create a plane on the midpoint of these two surfaces. Now you can see a plane at exactly the midpoint of these two surfaces has been created. If you want to cut these two bodies from this plane, it's pretty much easy. Select all these bodies and you say split body. Okay, it is asking again select a target object. I want to select all these bodies. Just with left mouse button you can select all those bodies. One thing, because this component has been activated, so it will split only this fluid region. Okay, that's fine. Now it is asking select a plane through which you want to cut your body. So I will select this cutter and just click on this plane, and it has splitted this fluid body into two regions. That you can hide this one and you can see it has splitted only this fluid. Same you can do with these cells. Activate this component and again you can say split body, select this one and this one. Now select this cutter tool and display this plane and select this plane. Then you also got this option that if you want to remove extra body, if you click over here and let's say you want to remove this body, so you will just click on this one and click on this one, it will remove these two bodies. So that's how you can split your body exactly from the center. That's it for this geometry tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.